Have you ever felt like everything is falling apart at the same time? Your plans stop working. Your heart feels heavy. People you trusted start to change. And you start wondering if you are really alone in this. You try again and again, but nothing goes the way you want. Nights feel longer than usual. Thoughts get louder. And inside your heart, a quiet question keeps coming again and again. Where is help when I need it the most? And in that very moment, when you feel like giving up, something unseen is still holding your life together in ways you cannot understand yet. There are times when life feels silent. Not calm silent, but heavy and confusing silent. You make prayers, but answers feel late. You wait, but nothing opens. And in that silence, doubt slowly tries to enter your heart. But this is where something deeper starts without you even noticing it. Silence is not empty. It is preparation. And delay is often protection from something you cannot see yet. What feels like nothing is happening may actually be something being arranged for you in a better way. Think about the times you felt you lost everything. A door closed. A plan failed. A relationship ended. In that moment, it felt like your world was finished. But later, you understood something important. Something better was waiting for you. Something you could not see at that time. Life often hides mercy inside delay. And trust grows exactly in those moments, when nothing makes sense at all. But one truth stays the same in every situation. You are not alone, even when it feels like you are. There comes a point in every heart when pressure becomes too much. You stop explaining your pain to others. You stop expecting them to understand. You sit alone with your thoughts. And in that quiet space, something soft begins to grow inside you. A different kind of trust. Not based on what you see, but based on what you feel deep inside your heart. This is where real strength starts. Not when life is easy, but when life is hard, and you still choose to hold on. Many people miss this truth. When everything feels blocked, it is easy to think you are forgotten. But life is not without meaning. Every delay carries a reason. Every closed door carries direction. You may not understand it now, but later it will become clear. A heart that keeps trusting during confusion is never left empty. Trust changes how you feel your situation. Fear slowly turns into patience. And pain slowly turns into growth. But the real question is simple. Can you still trust when nothing is working in your favor? Some days even small things feel heavy. You wake up tired without doing much. You feel stuck while others seem to move forward. And in those moments, comparison becomes very dangerous. It steals your peace very quickly. But what if your timing is not late? What if it is being built carefully for something stronger? People only see results. They do not see the process behind them. And your process is not wasted, even when it feels slow and quiet. Sometimes the answer you want is not the answer you need right now. You may ask for a door to open, but stepping through it too early could harm you. You may want something fast, but delay can be protection from what you cannot see. Life does not always give comfort immediately, but it gives lessons slowly through experience. And the more you stay patient in uncertainty, the more your heart learns to stay strong without breaking. There is also something you often forget in hard times. You think everything depends on what you can do. But many things in life move in ways you cannot control. Some doors open without your effort. Some problems leave without your strength. This teaches you a simple truth. You are not carrying everything alone. Some help comes in ways you do not expect. And when you stop forcing every outcome, you start seeing small signs that things are still working for you, even in silence. Something powerful also happens inside patience. It changes how you see everything. What once looked like failure starts to look like direction. What once felt like loss starts to look like guidance. You begin to feel that your life is not stuck. It is unfolding step by step. Slowly. Carefully. In a way that is building something you cannot build alone. Even when you cannot see the full picture, small signs begin to remind you that you're still being guided. Think about the moments you thought you could not continue, but you still did. You found strength you did not know you had. You survived emotions you thought would break you completely. That strength was not random. It was placed inside you in ways you did not notice at the time. And that is why even now, when life feels heavy again, you are still here. Still trying. Still moving forward in your own quiet way. But something deeper is carrying you through all of this. A heart that trusts does not always feel strong. But it stays steady. It bends, but it does not break. It cries, but it does not stop. And slowly it learns a powerful truth. Nothing stays forever. Not even pain. Every storm ends. Every night turns into morning. And every closed path later shows why it was never meant for you. But the hardest part is waiting for that moment with patience. And this is where many people struggle the most. Because waiting changes a person deeply. It removes false confidence. It shows real emotions. It reveals what your heart truly depends on when nothing else works. Some people give up in this stage. Others become stronger than before. The difference is not luck. It is trust. Trust grows when you keep moving forward without full answers. Even when your mind wants control. Even when your heart feels unsure. And just when it feels like nothing is changing, something starts shifting quietly. Then comes a moment when you look back and understand. You were never abandoned. You were being guided step by step through everything. Doors that did not open were protecting you from something. Pain you felt was building patience in you. Silence that confused you was shaping your understanding. Nothing was wasted. Not a single tear. Not a single delay. Everything had a direction, even when you could not see it. So if you are in that stage right now where nothing makes sense, do not rush your story. Do not think you are forgotten. Life is still shaping you in ways you cannot see yet. Stay steady even when emotions rise. Stay patient even when answers are late. Because a heart that keeps trusting through confusion is never left alone in the end. It only feels alone in the middle, never at the end. And if this message reached you today, take it as a quiet reminder. You are still in the process, not the end. Your story is still being written, not finished. Keep going even when progress feels slow. Keep trusting even when clarity has not come yet. And if you want more messages like this, subscribe and stay connected for the next reminder that may come exactly when you need it most. If this message touched your heart, take a moment and trust Allah with everything you are facing. Keep your faith strong even when life feels heavy. And if you want more powerful reminders like this, subscribe and stay connected for the next message.